We're heading back to the bus station to catch the bus from Pattaya to Bangkok. We're gonna hopefully find a coffee shop, which is the goal. Our train doesn't leave until 10 p.m. tonight, and we're getting a late start. It's around noon. We've been really lucky during our stay. I've checked the weather and I was really worried it was gonna rain, and actually it's only rained at night. So you wake up and the sun's out and you can tell that it rained. Hopefully we'll grab some foods here shortly.
We stopped for a little break to get an ice cream. We're only about a fourth of the way, and it's very hot.
Breakfast of champions right here.
Kit Kat ice cream.
No. Come on, Eeyore.
These bags are not light. I think it's about 60 pounds for both of them together. Ready?
We are not complaining by any means. I think it's just the heat that's getting to us. Still hungry, so we got some watermelon for 20 baht. Oh yeah, baby.
And this is how Amanda puts on her stuff. Half falls over. This was actually very successful, and that's only half.
All right.
Well, we got to the bus station and we were hoping not to have to wait too long, but we do have to wait about an hour and a half for the next bus. They've been filling up pretty quick. So we're getting some pork buns here, and we're going to pretty much just take up this whole entire table until our bus arrives. We are back in Bangkok.
And now we're looking for a coffee shop inside this mall where we can sit and get some work done before our train leaves in about 5 more hours.
Gotta get some vlogs edited. Let's go. We have 4 hours to burn here in this coffee shop, and our Wi-Fi here works for 4 hours. Perfect. So cute, fake train. The mall we're staying in is literally closing down, so we have to now go and head to the train station to head to Chiang Mai. We made it to the train in time. I think we have an extra 10 minutes. And this security guard is helping us find which car to get on. 14 hours, no air conditioning from what someone told us.
Now makes sense. Our tickets have no air conditioning because we have the old-fashioned kind of air conditioning.
Yeah, windows on these trains, and we're in upright seats, no sleepers, so awesome.
Not sure if I mentioned I like saving money. These seats were $23 for both tickets together, and I'm really gonna dread this. 12 hours, I'm already sweating. This is our air conditioning right there.
I think it's gonna be fun.
Overnight sleeper, yay! It is officially the next day, and boy did I mess up.
No air conditioning. This is the rocky, rickety, most. It's not a fun train.
It was one of the toughest nights ever, especially traveling. The train tracks, I swear, are like this, and also there's so much noise. I even was wearing earplugs.
Lots of mosquitoes.
And we stop every 5 minutes, and new people get on. There's a lot of people trying to sell stuff. It's really impossible to sleep. I wanted to save a couple dollars, so I booked these $23 tickets, and not such a great idea.
Mission accomplished. Money is saved. I think we only have about 3 hours left. We're now into like some jungle mountains. Looks really beautiful. So, and the sun is up. So at least there is a silver lining.
Yeah, I definitely recommend if you were going to travel by train, do a little bit more research on the type of train that you take. I didn't know that this didn't have air conditioning, and we are seriously damp, wet, muggy, and really looking forward to our Airbnb accommodation.
So we have our breakfast, get some pastries. Amanda was a genius and picked some of these up from a bakery last night. But the one thing that we didn't get was...
one thing I did right.
One thing that we didn't get though was get water. So we have been rationing this thing, and it was only about this full when we got onto the train.
So we're a 14-hour train ride.
We've been rationing it like crazy, like a drop at a time.
Chiang Mai is the best words I've heard all day. We just arrived. So excited to find a taxi and get some water. Got some food along the street. We need some fuel. We're starving and dying of dehydration. And we got this tuk-tuk that should only be 30 baht per person in town. I think we have luck on our side. We got the best deal on a tuk-tuk right outside the train station. I feel so spoiled. It was only 60 baht, which is about $2 per person. It was about half an hour tuk-tuk right here, and our Airbnb is just that way. And somehow Eric's data is working, and we were able to message the Airbnb, so he's waiting for us now.
Right now.
I'm really excited about this place because we're the 4th people that are staying here. It's a brand new Airbnb, and so I cannot believe it's completely brand new and renovated. Oh.
Recently renovated, and it's so cute. I love the style that this is in. It's got cute little a lighthouse picture, which Amanda loves. She's all about nautical.
Yes. We have 4 jugs of water. Like, no one ever gets
4 jugs of water? What? We're rich. We're rich in agua. And I love this little bookshelf. It's a great idea. So I know we just got here, but I have to say I am in love with Chiang Mai. The tuk-tuk driver was very cheap, super nice, didn't ask us for more money, which that's surprising being in Asia. And then our Airbnb host was waiting outside for us, let us check in an hour early, and this place is so adorable.
I know, I can't wait to go get all showered up, cleaned up, and go find some food, and then figure out what we're gonna do while we're here.
I'm hungry.
Anyways, we are so excited that we get to share this Airbnb with you. We'll link it down below. It's brand new, and
excited to do some fun stuff.
We're here for 3 nights.
And then the best part, when we're done with Chiang Mai, we get to fly to our next destination. No more bus rides.
No more trains.
Well, we do have a train to Singapore.
Yeah.
But no more bus rides for a bit.
Yeah, I think I'm bus rided out.
I'm bus rided out too.
All right, let's go clean up.
Okay. Now we have to find something to eat.
I'm waiting on my Thai iced tea after such a long train ride. That's what I'm doing. Woohoo!
You might not know this about us, but it can take us a while to actually find something that we want to eat. We have very different appetites, and the one thing we usually only agree on is pad thai. And so we were looking around for just a little bit, and we saw this restaurant. It has really nice looking menus. We've eaten at some of the stalls lately and have had questionable stomach aches, so we're just gonna go with pad thai, fried rice, and then they've got these cool little fried dumplings here. And they already brought them out. They just look like fried chips. Pretty much just fried chips, so really good. So stuff we haven't eaten for hours.